We started this facility from the ground up as SOS Fleet Services, and we were a total repair facility, and we serviced heavy equipment, over-the-road trucks, and power line. As it grew and become what it is today, we couldn't keep up with the power line industry. After 5 to 6 years, when Custom Truck acquired us, they give us the horsepower and the footprint to grow and be able to service the multiple crews and companies we have in central Louisiana.
We're in our second year with Custom Truck, and we've learned the processes very quickly. We're turning great numbers.
There's actually all the help from all the guys in Kansas City that got this branch moving. We worked really hard, and we learned a lot of stuff in a real short amount of time to get this place going. It's paying dividends now.
We're more widespread now. Like, we work on many more customers than we did.
Right now, the power industry is growing, the grid's growing.
Majority of the units we see, it's mostly power line industry. Lots of bucket trucks, digger trucks, cranes, lots of track machines. We've got 4 local power line companies that support East Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana.
Custom Truck is able to supply them with a safe and functional piece of equipment. The tool aspect of it, the part aspect of it, the rental aspect of it, whatever they need, we try to provide the customer. And their job is to build power lines and not worry about trucks. From new build to storm restoration, they do it all.
We currently have a Shelton Energy truck in here we're repairing, and I'm standing right beside a Line Tech track machine.
Pretty much whatever they use to build a power line is what we work on. We face a lot of challenges, a lot of stuff that we all had to put our heads together. But I mean, at the end of the day, it went out there in the parking lot and it went out, and it stayed out. That's the thing.
As service manager, I like having my one-on-one contact with customers, building relationships with customers, keeping our customers moving.
A satisfied customer, that's what I work for.
So we don't just service power line and equipment. We actually do take care of people that have construction equipment. We take care of water trucks. We also do vac trucks. I sell several parts to customers that have lowboy trailers. It's a wide range of products.
We have an equipment team and we have a PTA team. PTA is the parts, tool, and accessory side of our business that we have integrated to the initial fleet service side. We offer anywhere from string and blocks to your manual tools, to your hydraulic tools, battery-operated tools, all the way down to your PPE, which is equipment that is needed to keep our customers safe and in compliance.
We started PTA around March of this year. When we tool trucks, we get a pick list of orders to pull. Generally, they'll bring a crew, which is 2 buckets and a digger, and we take everything and put it on the truck in the bins that it goes in, so the customer's ready to just pick up the truck and go. Typically 50 to 70 items per truck. Takes us about an hour to tool each truck. Usually we can do a full crew in half a day to a day.
We offer them the service, we offer them the heavy equipment, we offer them the tooling, everything that they're gonna need for a crew to go to work in the field. CTOS can provide that from this location.
Alexandria is pretty much dead center of Louisiana.
It's a fairly small community. It's one of those places where everybody knows everybody.
The culture, very Cajun, very Southern. We like to do our cookouts. We're from the South. We like to feed the people.
Especially as hot as it is down here, there's nothing like getting together and having a big cookout and playing some cornhole. The care and respect is how we get through things. It's how we've got through all of this, is having care and respect for our fellow employees.
You have to care for the customer, you have to respect your coworker.
Most of us here have been here a full 4 years together, so we all get along and all enjoy each other, enjoy working together.
I'm very proud of our team.
We all really respect each other. Kind of like a brotherhood more than, just a job. It's a lot more than just a job.
We're right here in the southern region, in the Gulf region. It's been a void for years, I think. Custom Truck in Alexandria. Now we have a go-to for the power line industry and our customers in central Louisiana.